and go run far away. You are very pretty, I'm so very ugly. Will you even love me? Love me more. You can live without me. That makes me unhappy. I should get a piercing through my heart. What do you even want me to be? You never ever pay attention to me. So I'll close my blinds in misery, and I'll wait for you for a couple of weeks. You are very pretty, I'm so very ugly. Will you even love me? Love me more. You can live without me. That makes me unhappy. I should get a piercing through my heart.
Hindi ko nakikita.
TikTok yan?
YouTube.
Ay, YouTube mo.
YouTube lang, hindi YouTube Kids. Hindi na ako baby.
Ay, hindi ka na baby. Kid ka na.
Buhay ko kaya. Ayun, buhay ko naman. Ha? Dito mo kayo papayag niya?
Gagawain ko lang to off-screen.
Madali ba?
Tapos na tayo.
Right? Yeah. Sir, dito po sila.
Tatapos na tayo.
Bibing na eh, kapag
Siguro may exam ng mga, ito sa self test na pangalawa yung mga
Gagawin ko
stick
pala
counting.
yung
May fill in the blanks, tapos stick counting. Tapos yung mga syllable, kung ilang syllable.
May bag kasi ako dito. Melody.
Melody?
Ay, may bag kasi ako na melody. Ano ba yun? Nawala ang page. Nawala ulit.
Hindi, bigyan mo.
Yan patapos. May gagawin lang ako.
Pasukan nyo ay kuwan. Tapos na ang term 1.